Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to draw the Lewis structure of C₄H₁, also known as butane. Let's go through it step by step. First of all, we must count the number of valence electrons. Carbon contributes a total of 16 valence electrons and hydrogen contributes a total of 10 valence electrons, which brings our total to 26 valence electrons. Now, let us start drawing the Lewis structure of butane. First, we must connect 4 carbon atoms in a single chain. Now, let's add the hydrogen atoms. Each carbon must have 8 electrons around it. This means the end carbons will have 3 hydrogens and the carbons in the middle will have 2 hydrogens around them. Every carbon now has 4 single bonds. Now, finally, we must check the octet rule. Each carbon has 8 electrons around it. This is because a single bond gives us 2 electrons. And each hydrogen also has 2 electrons. There are no lone pairs on any carbon atom, so the Lewis structure is complete. Therefore, we can conclude that this is the final Lewis structure for butane. For more such videos, consider hitting the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.